is Shelly, and in this video I made a Day of the Dead necklace, and for material I use this Crayola Magic. Easy to make, very moldable. You could just press it down like that and then you shape it into a skull. Then you can use anything to make the eyes, something round. Then I cut it out. And then for the nose, I did an upside down heart. I know you can barely see it because it's so white, but that's what I didn't go all the way like the eyes though. I stopped and I left some material. Oh, this is a pin. It was just a regular pin that I cut so I can insert it so later I can hang as a necklace. Then this is acrylic black paint, and I used it to paint the inside of the nose and the inside of the sockets of the eyes. And then for the mouth, same acrylic paint, and just paint the teeth. This is where it gets fun. You can use any acrylic paint color and just use your imagination. I went around the eyes with the orange. I did polka dots with the yellow. I put some purple in there, green. And then since I'm going to wear mine for work on Halloween Day, I used the suede cord to hang as a necklace. And at the end, I also added some gold glitter. And that's the result. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.